Hi everyone. Last week I gave you the 11 steps to do email marketing. In today's video, we are going to discuss the do's and don'ts of building an email list. So without further ado, let us dive right in. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. First off, your sign-up process should tell subscribers who you are. So show your logo, your company name, or blog full name, the description of your business or you. Anything to show that you're a legitimate business and you are legitimate. Next, the type of content you will be sending your list must be consistent with what your subscribers sign up for. For example, when you sign up with passive online revenue, you should be getting business and marketing information. But if you receive email from us about food or travel, you will be confused. So this may cause some people to report your email as spam. Another important thing to do is to tell your subscribers how often you will send them emails. Is it daily, weekly, or fortnightly? You can also give your subscribers a choice, whether they would like daily emails or a weekly digest of them. Another thing you must do is to always make sure that your subscribers know that they know that they can unsubscribe from your list at any time. Give that option available in your emails. Next, keep your forms secure. This will help to avoid sign-up form threats. An example of a threat are spam bots. Spam bots can sign up with a made-up email address, and sending your emails to them can be viewed as and reported as spam. So you don't want to have such email addresses on your list. Then there's also list bombing. This is when the victim's email box gets flooded with as much email as possible. This makes the victim angry and lose functionality of their email address. So to prevent all these, have double opt-in and captures. Double opt-in is when you send confirmation email to the subscriber before adding them to the list. You should also use captures to prevent bots from submitting to your form. Finally, remember to do regular housekeeping of your lists, such as to remove unsubscribes, addresses that bounces, or reported spam complaints. Sorry. GetResponse has an automatic function that can help you clean the list. Keep on top of list cleaning and re-engagement. Don't purchase email lists. Many of these lists for sale may possibly contain spam threats. Even just one of these spam threats can ruin your reputation. Avoid these things, the following: unavailable or non-existent mailboxes, email addresses designed for one purpose or job role like info at, team at, known complainers or anti-abuse professionals, publicly available lists or hacks, and don't buy bought, borrowed, rented, given, or hand-me-down lists. Remember all the above points when you're building your email list. It's not easy. There is a lot of work to be done, especially when your list grows into the hundreds of thousands. But you must do it to keep your list healthy, and also so that you can safely send emails that can reach your subscribers. Do you have any questions about this topic, about the do's and don'ts of building an email list? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button whenever to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.